Hello everyone, Gurmeet here, and in this video we will talk about Python bitwise operators. So bitwise operators are used to compare binary numbers, right? So binary numbers are compared using the bitwise operators. So we are studying bitwise operators. So first of all, let me tell you that bitwise operations are something that not just everybody know in usual. So let me tell you first what are bitwise operations. Let's say we have two numbers 10 and 11. We want to add them. So numerically we can add them like this, 10 plus 11, and that will be equal to 21. But if we say we have to bitwise add them, bitwise, so the bit value of 10 is something else. So I have found a good calculator online which we can use to do the bitwise calculations. 10 and 11 we are adding. So let me just perform an operation. So the binary value of 10 is 1010 and the binary value of 11 is 1011. So now we will add bit by bit, like 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 11. This is binary addition, right? So binary addition is completely different from the normal addition, right? So I do not want to go in depth of the bitwise operations because it is a separate concept, and I'll probably link a video in the description of this video to help you better know the bitwise operations, right? So in this video we will talk about how you can perform bitwise operations in Python. Okay, so Python has around 5 different operators for bitwise operations. So the first one is AND. This is pronounced as AND, A-N-D, and it will do the bitwise operation AND. Okay, so what is bitwise operation AND? It will set each bit to 1 if both the bits are 1. So the AND operation works like this. So I'm just commenting it down. AND 1 and 1 will be 1, and 1 and 0 will be 0, 0 and 1 will be 0, 0 and 0 will be 0. That is the basic AND operation performed bit by bit, right? The next one is OR. So OR is like this, this straight line, right? So this is bitwise OR operation in Python, and if any one of the bit is 1, the resultant bit will be 1. This is OR operation, bitwise OR operation. Then we have XOR, this symbol, this one, XOR. So it sets each bit to 1 if only one of the two bits is 1. Then we have NOT. It simply inverts the bits, right? And then we have 0 fill left shift. This is to do left circle shift kind of thing. And then we have signed a right shift as well. Okay, so let's understand the things with the help of example. So I'm taking two variables x and y, x equals to 10 and y equals to 20, and we'll perform bitwise operations on these two variables, right? So I'm simply printing the results. Let's say x and y. Let's see what it prints. So it is printing 0. It says x and y is 0. Let's check if it is right. 10 and 20, we are performing AND. And you can see it is printing 0 because 1010 when AND with 10100, it results every single bit in the output as 0. Hence the AND operation results in 0. Let's apply the OR operation. OR operation, and you can see the answer to the OR operation is 30. So the answer is 11110, and hence it is converted into decimal as 30. Let's run it and check. Yeah, it is 30. Similarly, other operations, XOR, NOR. Let's try with XOR. So XOR is also 30. Let's check the output here. Here also it is 30. And similarly, this is NOT operator. NOR operator applied on 20, and you can see it is 21. So NOR operator is only applied here on the first one, and here we are applying it on the y variable, that is 20. And similarly the shifts are there. So I'm shifting x, right shifting by 20. So let's check the output. Here also 10, 20, right shifting. It is 0. It is 0 here also. Let's just left shift, and it is this much. Let's just do it here and match the answer. It is that much as well. So this is how you can perform different bitwise operations in Python, right? So again, I'm saying I'm linking down below a link in which you can understand the bitwise operations in detail and how you can do it manually. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next video.